Hello everyone, this is Sims3B77. I have some cool news for you. Those of you that do not know me, I am Sims3B77. I do Sims 3 videos, like Sims 3 house building videos, details, and reviews and tutorials. Also, I'd like to give you some news. Those of you that know, Grand Theft Auto 5 is coming out soon, which is very soon, sometime in the next few months this year. When Grand Theft Auto 5 does come out, I will also be doing Grand Theft Auto 5 videos. I'll still be doing my I'll still be doing my Sims 3 videos. So all my Sims 3 followers, don't worry, don't fret. I'm still doing my Sims 3 videos, and I'll upload Sims 3 videos the same amount as I do right now. Okay, so I will not slow down on uploading my Sims 3 buildings or videos. But like when Grand Theft Auto 5 comes out, I'll have another option for you to watch. So Sims 3 and Grand Theft Auto 5. So you have two things of entertainment to watch on my channel, which brings in people that like Grand Theft Auto 5. Some people like Sims 3. I'll be doing both, so entertaining both categories. So yes, I will be doing that when Grand Theft Auto 5 comes out. You can check out the trailer for Grand Theft Auto 5. Also, a new Grand Theft Auto 5 trailer is supposed to come out soon. So, the second trailer should be coming out sometime possibly this month or very soon. So, I just want to tell you that when Grand Theft Auto 5 comes out, I will be making those videos as well as my Sims 3 videos. I will not slow down on my Sims 3 videos. I'll upload in the same amount of time as I do right now. So I'll not slow down or hold me back from doing Sims 3 stuff. So I just wanted to add another thing to my channel. There'll be two separate playlists, one for the Sims 3, then another for Grand Theft Auto 5. So when that comes out, I'll provide you some more entertainment and stuff like that. A new house building video will be out soon, everyone. I'm just making like a movie right now for this big competition on YouTube. So that is it right now. For those of you that have not seen the trailer for Grand Theft Auto 5 yet, go check it out on Rockstar Games YouTube channel. That is it for now, and have a wonderful day, everyone.